Hello, welcome back. And in this part, we are going to take a look at the index registers. Okay, so the 32-bit index registers, ESI and EDI, and there are 16-bit rightmost portions, which are the SI and DI, are used for indexed addressing and sometimes used in addition and subtraction. Okay, so let us take a look at them. So let us note them down. So we have the EDI, and even the ESI, okay, like that. So down here, and then there are rightmost portion. There are 16-bit rightmost portions, which are the the SI, and even the DI, okay, like that. So let us separate these ones with a comma, like that. Okay, so these ones are used for indexed addressing and sometimes used in addition and subtraction. Okay, so there are two sets of index registers. Okay, so let us take a look at them. So I have here a picture. Let me show you. Here I have a picture there. Okay, so the SI, which is this one, the 16 bit. Okay, the 16 bit of the ESI register. This one here, this one is called it is called the source index. Okay, and this one is used as the source index for string operations. Okay, so we shall take a look at them, how to use this register. Okay, so we have another one which is called the destination index register, or known as the DI register. Okay, and this one is used as the destination index for string operations. Okay, we shall take a look at them in future parts, how we can use them in our programs. Okay, so as you can see, we have this picture. As you can see, so these ones are 32-bit registers, the ESI and the EDI. Okay, and there are corresponding 16-bit registers, which is the SI and DI. Okay, so in the next part, we shall take a look at the control registers. Okay.